Good morning, handsome.
Good morning, beautiful.
Thank you. And how are you today?
I'm very well, thank you. How are you on this beautiful day?
I'm wonderful, thank you.
Good.
What are you up to?
I'm selling my car.
Do.
Its MOT is due in about 5 days, and it's not going to pass its MOT. And we don't need the car. And it costs too much to get it through the MOT.
Yeah.
So I'm going to get rid of it.
Oh, does that make you sad?
It does make me sad, because that's it. Now I'm stuck with you forever.
Oh.
I can't ever drive off into the sunset.
And what about your number plate on it?
My number plate, I tried to sell it on Facebook yesterday, but people aren't interested in it.
Yeah.
I did get a few offers from America and Europe, but they think they're just buying the plate. And what I was trying to do is sell the registration, because it would actually cost me $100 to get it taken off the car, and people were offering me $100 for the plate, so it's not worth doing. You know what I mean? So that's just going to have to stay on it, I think, unfortunately.
Oh no, that's a shame.
Yeah. So I was just going to scrap it, but I found out since sometimes you actually have to pay them to scrap it, so I might have had to even pay to get it scrapped.
Yeah.
So you've suggested put it on eBay for 99p and see how it goes.
Yeah. Well, it is a good runner, isn't it? Let's be fair.
It's a good runner.
Yeah.
But it needs to go through its MOT, which is probably going to cost £400 or something. And the car's only worth that, so...
I think it cost us that last year, didn't it?
£400,
yeah.
So, yeah, putting it on eBay, 99p, and hopefully we'll get £150 for it.
Yeah, we'll be happy, won't we?
We'd be happy with that, yeah.
So what's the plans for today?
The plan for today is we're going to go to a campsite to empty his toilet.
Yay! You're excited?
Oh, yes. No, I haven't really got any plans. It's meant to be a nice day.
Yeah.
Apart from that, we'll just get onto a campsite and we'll do a bit of vloggy things, I think.
Yeah. We've just woke up at a Britstop this morning, haven't we?
We have. We've been here many times because it's near your dad's, isn't it?
Yeah.
We haven't been making videos for the last few days or week or whatever because Mazzy's been at the hospital for an appointment. Nothing serious, just to talk to somebody about an operation. So we're just setting off again, sort of, slowly.
Yeah.
So,
sort the car out, we're
off.
off.
Sort the car out and then we're off. The place we're at the moment, it's called Woolpit. Yeah. And we're just off to the bakery, aren't we, for a few rolls. Just saw this in a shop window. How lovely is that?
It's so cute.
Better than our art. It's not even a butcher's though, is it?
I don't know. No, I don't think it is.
I don't know what this shop is. It's a lovely old house, look. So we have filmed here before, Woolpit. This is where we did the story once. It's a long time ago now. The Green Children of Woolpit, I think it was called. Yeah. The video. And we filmed this. Don't know if you remember this. It's like a little welly thing here with these cool carvings on, all wood. It's a beautiful place, is Woolpit. There's nothing here, but it's beautiful. So we've just been to the bakery over there, the white building. We've got a little tea room next to it. Beautiful house there. It's just really old and quaint and cool and sexy. Right, we're off to the co-op.
So we've arrived on site. It's just a field. It's alright though. Dan's now got to try and plug this in. Oh! Why are you drinking at this time of the day?
Because today is International Beer Day.
Yay! So you're celebrating, are you?
I am. So, Mr. Smith, I know you're up there somewhere. Here's a drink to you, pal. Mr. Smith. International Beer Day. This is more important than my birthday. That's to you, John. Thank you very much. I don't normally have a drink. I'm not much of a drinker, but today I'll make an exception.
Dan thinks this lead is going to reach from our plug there to all the way down there. It's never going to reach, honey.
Trust me.
I do trust you, but you know.
No problem whatsoever.
Oh my god! Belly don't reach. I don't know. Just. God, I'm glad I didn't put money on that now. I could have sworn that would never reach. Look at you all smug with yourself. We're only a little bit on the wonk. But Dan's such a perfectionist, aren't you, babe? Yeah. Go on. Yep. Yep. That looks straight enough, do it? That's it, you can't go no further. Just look at the state of this. Honey, this is terrible.
Well, they're samples to do product reviews on. Samples to do product reviews on. That's just a big box which we need rid of. And these are just empty bottles which we've kept in case I need to urinate in them.
Let's go.
But I think we've got about 10 now, so I think we can get rid of some.
Yeah, it really is a mess. Oh my god. Honey, you can't change your mind now.
I never made my mind in the first place.
Guys, I've asked him for this cupboard here. This is
mine.
Dan's. But it's empty.
Yeah, that's because I manage my belongings better than you do.
Yeah, but you told me a week ago that I could have it.
Oh, I don't remember saying that.
Oh, please may I have it?
Well, I'm thinking what might be best is if I put my things from in there
What?
up there, and then you have that big one down there.
Oh, okay. Yes, please. Oh, that would be wonderful.
But
Yeah.
if at any point I turn around, this is just a temporary release.
Yeah.
A temporary lease.
Okay.
I can turn around and you only get a 24-hour notice that I can just evict you from my cupboard. Because it is still my cupboard.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
We'll do that.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Are you going to clean it out now then?
No.
Babe!
So it's International Beer Day. I don't know if I've told you.
Yes.
But Heimer need to get into the spirit of International Beer Day because they just don't cater for beer in Heimers. You're alright while you're down here, but if you go anywhere in the back or up on this step, yeah, you can't get your head, you can't tip your beer enough to get it in your mouth without spilling it. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
They've designed it wrong, and they should have thought about International Beer Day doing the bit. Just saying, you know.
Maybe you were designed wrong. Maybe you were designed too tall. I don't know, just saying. Because look! See? Be smaller and then you can enjoy your International Beer Day, darling.
So Heimers are invented for girls?
Yeah.
Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Designed for girls?
Well, just normal sized people.
Okay.
Yeah. Is that where you do it, honey?
So, yes it is.
Yay!
Most of these sites we go on,
Yeah.
the small sites, are farms, working farms, and I like them.
Yeah, they're quirky.
So you've got toilet here. It's just like a king-sized toilet.
It is, isn't it? Yeah.
I'm guessing in here you've got a toilet and a shower.
Oh, okay, let's have a look. Oh, yes, yeah. It's alright.
It's more than you normally get on these small sites.
Yeah.
Very happy with that.
That's where we fill up, is it? Where do we empty it? Oh, I suppose down any of those, won't it? Even got what is it called?
An on-site farm shop
Yeah.
and butchers, which is closed.
Oh, is it? I wonder if it's actually closed.
Well, it does say closed.
No, but it looks empty. Oh, it is empty. Oh, that's a shame. Oh, this is so cool.
I can't work out if it's meant to be a water feature or it's actually got a use. Maybe a viewer will know.
Yeah, I don't know.
Lovely lake. With ducks on, apparently there's a lot of fishing here, you can go fishing.
So that's the campsite. We're over there. Only a couple of us here.
The only downside is there's no electric point over this side.
No.
You've got one over there which we've just reached,
Yeah.
I suppose they only have to fit 5 vans in, so that's all they're allowed. You can't have any more than 5 stay on a CL site, a certified location site. That's all you need, I suppose.
Yeah, does the job.
There's about 12 caravans which look like they're in storage or something. I do like it here.
It is nice, isn't it? Let's go and enjoy the day. What are you doing? I can only guess.
Toilet.
Yay! Look how clean he got this van, guys. Oh, he's such a super duper trooper, aren't you, darling?
You've just noticed.
Yeah, I know. Who's done that?
Tiny little mark on the back, look.
Yeah.
All these little marks, they all build up and
They all add up, don't
they all add up.
Yeah.
So one day the van's worth sod all. Birds.
Oh, yeah. Where's the other one as well? As soon as you wash this, look.
Corner.
Bless him. As soon as he washed this, guys. I don't know if you can see. What is it with birds doing that?
They hate me. Hate me.
Well, good luck with that one. Oh goodness, what you done?
I've ripped my marigold.
Oh
Made for
no.
girls these, you see. You should have got me blue ones. One are ripped.
Well, they're blue now with all the chemicals. Good luck. Well, Dan's not here. I've got to show you guys. This is what I've got to sort out today. Nothing to do with the cool box, sorry. Let me just move that out the way. This. But I know I'm terrible. I've got to, and then I've put it all on top of his stuff as well. Oh, bless him. And then I've also got this up here and this, and they're both in a bad condition as well. So that's my job today. So this, guys, is what has crept in on top of Dan's stuff. Look. I'm smothered in it. I've not even started on this one yet. Oh my God. I really am going to have to pack some of this up and charity shop or back at my dad's. So yeah, I'll crack on with this. So just going through his stuff, I've nearly emptied it. But I just found this. I brought him this for his birthday last year. It's all like the Liverpool, you know, the chants that they sing at the matches. I'm going to get Dan to sing one for you. Have you seen it?
Oh man, what are you doing?
I know.
I've told you, you need one t-shirt, one jumper, one pair of jeans, one pair of shorts and a towel. You don't need anything else. I ain't got any more than that.
Yeah, but I'm a girl. I like to have clothes. Anyway, look what I just found. And I promised everyone I'm going to get you to sing a song out of it.
The Anfield Songbook.
Yes.
What do you fancy? I'll give you a very quick chorus of one, shall I?
Yay.
It's the only one I know. All round the fields of Anfield Road,
oh, yeah.
where once we watched the King, can he play, and can he play? Stevie Highway on the wing, we had dreams and songs to sing of the glory round the fields of Anfield Road.
Yay!
That's all you're getting. That's all you're getting.
That was well good.
There's actually one in here called Super Dan.
Oh, is there?
Super Dan. Super Dan, Super Dan, Super Dan, Super Danny Murphy. He hasn't played for us for years. It's not a song about me. Absolutely ridiculous.
Honey, I finished yet.
Ridiculous.
I'm getting there.
And then you've got your wardrobe full of stuff, up there full of stuff, things under there full of stuff,
That's
things
all
in
my
there.
dirty washing down.
Mazzy, sort it out.
I have.
Throw it all away.
I'm trying. Well, that's for the pile that can go.
Yay, that's a start.
That's a start, yeah.
So you've requested that I film you,
Yes.
but not your dirty washing in the corner.
No,
Okay.
not that.
What do you want me to look at?
Check it out. Are you proud of me?
Is this what you're getting rid of, yeah?
No, this is my wardrobe.
Is this what you're keeping?
Yeah.
So, Mazzy, you must have at least 40 tops in there.
Yeah, but look, listen, if you turn around, look. I'm proud of myself, okay? 4 bags worth of stuff that's going.
Well, that is good.
Yeah, I'm proud of myself.
'Cause that's a lot of weight in the van.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm pleased. I'm happy.
Thank you.
Well done. You've done well.
Thanks. Can you see anything?
Mazzy's broke the oven door for the second time.
No, it quite often does it. I'm not sure why it does it.
Last time it happened, I believe your brother fixed it for you.
Yeah.
But you don't know how.
No.
And it's happened again. It just like the hinge is stuck. But you can't see the hinge to see where it's stuck, what the problem is. I don't think I can fix this, Mazzy. Can't fix it.
Go on, babe. You can do it.
I can't. I can't.
Oh, that's so annoying. Oh my goodness. Have you done it?
No. Well, it won't stay up.
No, that's strange.
It won't stay up. And it won't shut properly. But I have managed to get it down. I've probably bent it and ruined it and destroyed it.
Wow.
You could probably cook in there now.
Yeah, I think ideally it's going to need pulling apart, isn't it? Having a look at the hinges properly.
If you like, gorilla tape that bit, and then whenever you need to use it, just pull it up.
No, honey.
And then
no.
do that. Put
What?
your food in.
And then
close
how
it,
about if I'm using
shut
the
it.
grill? How does it stay up?
You put some gorilla
Oh my
gorilla
God.
tape there and
No!
tape it up there.
Honey, no.
Job's done for the day. Video uploading, washing a motorhome roof for the first time.
Yes.
Glass of water. Beautiful lady.
Oh, thank you.
What's this?
Salad.
Chicken salad as usual for Mazzy.
Yep.
And I've gone for chicken Kievs, I think they are.
Garlic ones, aren't
Oh, the garlic.
You
Well, I
picked
think
them.
most Kievs are garlic, aren't they? With savoury rice. I've got a massive, massive urge for savoury rice at the moment. In fact, my mouth is watering so much I can't talk. So thank you very much, Mazzy.
Oh, you're welcome.
Very kind of you.
You're welcome. Should we wrap this up for the day?
Yeah, just in case we've nothing else to film, because I don't think we will, because I think we're going to settle down to a film.
Yes.
So say goodbye, Mazzy.
Bye, guys. Love y'all.
Bye.